Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to make a braided dog toy. In your kit you will find enough to make 2 dog toys. I'm going to show you how to make 1. So what you're going to start to do is you're going to need 6 of these t-shirt strips for each dog toy. You're going to want to put 2 strips together to make it thick, so you can mix and match your colors. I'm doing black, I have 2 yellow strips, I have 2 gray strips. The reason we want to do 2 strips instead of just 1 at a time is because we want to make sure that the dog can chew on it for a little bit of time. If we do just 1 strip, it's too thin, the dog will destroy it in like a matter of seconds. So we have our 2, 4, 6 strips. So once we have the strips together, we're going to start by bunching them up at the top like this. We're then going to take one of these thin strips that you have and wrap it around a couple of times like so. And then you're going to take it and you're going to tie it twice into really tight knots. Pull it as tight as you can. We want to make sure that this is what's going to keep our braid together. So we want to make sure it's nice and tight. So it will look like this. So next we will start to braid. In order to make a braid, you're going to start with your pieces of fabric spread out in 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3. So you're going to start on either side. You can either go left over the middle or right over the middle. I'm going to start with the left over the middle. So you take your left and you put it over the middle. So now your gray strip is now the middle. You're going to want to start to pull them kind of tight. So the next you do is take your right side and put that over the middle, which is now the gray. Okay, so now the yellow is the middle. So next we're going to take our black, which is on the left, and go over the middle. And then the same thing again, the gray over the middle. And we're going to do this all the way down to the bottom. So over the middle. Then we have the black over the yellow, because the yellow is now the middle. Now the gray over the black, making the gray the middle. We're going to do this all the way down. So one and then the other. So you're just alternating, making each side going over the middle to make a braid. And we're going to do this all the way to the bottom. You want to pull it nice and tight as you go along to make sure that the dogs can chew on it. So once you get to the bottom, you can braid for as long as you can. Then you're going to take your other strip, your other narrow strip, and you're going to wrap it around a couple of times like we did at the top. And again, we're going to do 2 really tight knots, 1 and 2. If you want, you can trim these a little bit so that's all the length of that. I probably would. And you might get a little bit of debris from the t-shirts. That's okay. You just wipe that off. And that is your dog toy. If you'd like to receive community service for making this project, simply return it to the library so we could donate it to the local shelter. Thank you.